we cracked that back line loose and it started dripping. Hi, and welcome back. Today is the day. We are going to try to hear this thing run a little bit. That's about all I plan on doing today. Doing much time out here again. Seems like I'm running low on time to be out here. We're gonna put all the injectors back in, hard lines on. I got some fuel line. We'll run that down to a little jug of diesel, and we'll see if we can't hear it pop off a little bit. Before we do that, I'm gonna check the oil again, make sure all that's good. But don't want to run it long, just enough that I know it will actually start and go, and that'll be a big relief. But anyways, let's head over there. I'm gonna put you on the back of my tailgate, and we're gonna put the injectors back in, hard lines back on, and fuel hose on the fuel pump, and get ready to hear it run, hopefully. All right, I'm gonna put those back in. I'm gonna take this belt off. It's just loose. Wait for it to get wrapped up if it turns over and it starts slapping stuff. So probably loosen the alternator. Take that belt off. And slip this one off and put it back on and tighten it back up. Anyways, put those in, hard lines on. Got fuel hose, some hose clamps. Put it on that fuel pump down there. And hopefully put this into a little jar or jug of gasoline. Or not gasoline, but diesel. Anyways, let's start putting this stuff back together, and then we'll see if we can't get it to fire off. Well, we tried. Seems like it wanted to, but could never get it to idle. I think one problem with this battery is too low, and for some reason, I don't know if I don't got good compression in the cylinders. It's just not firing up. And we had to put a hot wire here to the battery to get this thing to function. So if any of y'all know diesels, let me know what I'm doing wrong or what I need to check. I don't know where's it getting diesel out of the fuel pump, because we cracked that back line loose and it started dripping. So I don't know if my batteries just need to be charged up more, try again, or if my cylinders don't have good enough compression. But yeah, if y'all know anything of how to get this thing to kick over, let me know. But like I said before, if y'all know anything about diesel and see me doing something wrong, or have a suggestion on what I should do, please let me know in the comments or email me. I can use all the help I can get with this. But thank you, and I'll see you next time.